All right, let's take a look at how you can use the ReadyDoc platform to manage expiring credentials and notify the provider. So here we are in the admin view. We'll click on Dr. Richard Williams' profile and we'll see that Dr. Williams has 5 documents that are expired. So we need to take action. And if we look over here on the right-hand side, we can see across the ReadyDoc safe and the different document categories which documents have expired. And here you can see in the licensure and certification and board section, there are 3. There's a document in the insurance and sanctions check area that has expired, and there's also a continuing education document that's expired. So let's take action on these. So what we'll do is we'll send an email notification not only to Dr. Williams but also to other staff. And first we'll select, as you can see, everything that's red, those are the expired documents. So let's select everything that's red here so we can take action on them. Once we've got them all selected, we'll just scroll down to the bottom and we'll click Next. And now we can send Dr. Williams a note telling him that we need him to take action immediately. We can also copy on this email anyone else in your facility or group or practice that needs to be aware of the fact that Dr. Williams' documents have expired. Here we've got a personalized message to Dr. Williams, and also all of the documents that have expired, there's a note there so he knows what actually needs to be taken care of. We just click send, and then the message goes out to all the parties and ready to go. Now you're ready with ReadyDoc.